In this video, I will discuss how to create tracking URLs in HubSpot. In order to do that, you first need to navigate to your settings. You can find it by going over to this gear icon on the top right. So this is your HubSpot settings, and then this will load into a new page that will proceed to show you all the settings that we have available. Now we just need to look for the left-hand menu. Here it is, and then look and go to tracking and analytics. So on some cases, it's been renamed. So what you can do instead is you can proceed to search for it. You can click on this option and then click or search for tracking URL. So we have in here our URL redirects. So click on this right here. Then after that, you can see in here this option. So what we can do in here is we can just proceed to click on this add and then choose right here the type that you want. Enter here the original URL. Like for example, let's input right here this option. So this is just an example, so do take note of this. For example, the original URL is homepage. Let's redirect them to other option, which is home only. You can add it directly right here, and once you're done, this will be added. So that's all there is today, and if you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.